Welcome to the MKC show. Today we will be making lemon poppy seed scones.
Before we start, we need to wash our hands to prevent staph bacteria from forming.
The ingredients you will need is a lemon, poppy seed, half and half, butter, salt, and baking powder,
flour, sugar, and an egg.
And you'll need a large bowl, a grater,
measuring tools.
Before we make the dough, you want to preheat the oven to 400 degrees.
But before you preheat it, you gotta check the oven and make sure there's nothing in it.
Next, we're going to wash the lemon before we grate it.
When you grate the lemon, you want to go down and hold the top so it's steady. Depending how much lemon you want, you can use 1.5 teaspoons or 3 teaspoons.
While Madison's finishing up the lemon, we want to add all the dry ingredients together. So we need 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and we want to mix them all together. The flour in this recipe will add structure to the final product. Next, I will be putting 1/3 cup of salted butter. For the butter, you want to cut it in by using a pastry cutter. Make sure the butter is cold so it doesn't melt. Butter is a fat and it will make the product tender.
Once you're done with that, you add 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. Next, you add 1/4 cup, half and half, an egg, and grated lemon. The egg in this recipe are a biting agent, and the egg whites help unfold protein.
To keep it fresh, you can keep it in the refrigerator for up to an hour, or you can freeze it over the weekend.
Now we are going to cut the dough into 8 pieces.
Make sure to bake the dough in a circle for 16 to 18 minutes.
For safety reasons, use an oven mitt to take it out. The final product should be golden brown.
Now place them on the cooling rack for 5 minutes.